morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. Welcome if you guys are new. I am so glad to have you guys joining. And my name is Jamie, and I'm a wife and a mom of 2 teens. And we have 3 dogs and 1 cat. So I started in the living room by just opening up all the curtains just to get natural light in here. And I do have blackout curtains on all of my living room windows and also the one in the dining room, because I just couldn't really find curtains that I liked. But our TV is on this wall, so I wanted something that would just keep out the sun while we were trying to watch TV. But I'm not even gonna lie, sometimes I just like to close all the curtains, turn out all the lights, and just curl up on the couch and watch a movie during the day with peace and quiet while the kids are at school, my husband's at work. I can watch some of my favorite movies or my favorite TV shows and not be interrupted. So I get up around, my husband gets up very early. So after he leaves and the kids leave for school and work, I rush through and just kind of try to get everything I need to get done, just so I have at least 2 to 3 hours of peace and quiet, and I can just lay on the couch and watch some of my favorite shows or movies without the kids arguing and fighting.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on, if you're gonna be.
And I want to paint these walls so bad. It is driving me freaking crazy, because I promised my husband I wouldn't touch this house for a year. We would just move in and get everything unpacked and get things situated and just enjoy it and just relax. Our very first home that we've ever bought. But y'all, these walls are ugly. There's like these trim pieces on the walls. I don't like it. I am going to get rid of it. So my goal for 2023 is to repaint this house. I am not a fan of the walls at all. We did buy a double-wide trailer, but our home was actually built right here where we just bought. It was built on site. So we have a little over an acre of land. So our backyard is huge. Even the front yard is really big too.
You're moving on solo. Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Stone tonight, never to be said. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on, if you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you.
but while I was vacuuming, my vacuum died, and when I went to hang it back up on the charger, it wasn't even plugged in. So I had to plug it in, and then it just took the rest of the day to charge. So I did not film sweeping and mopping the rest of the floors. The only floor I had left to do was the dining room and the kitchen. Sorry, that is my phone. And Thor right here was just not, he just wasn't moving. He was having a lazy day. He was comfy. So I had to drag him in his bed and put it over here by the floors did get swept and mopped. The vacuum was charging. And by the time my son got home from school, he had finished the floors for me. The vacuum was finished charging, but my daughter is in a school play, Wizard of the Oz, and I had to go to a parent meeting because they were trying to schedule, they were wanting some parents to volunteer to pick up food and bring it to them on Monday and Tuesday, because that is when the play is, and they will be doing that whole play like all day long until 9:30 at night, because it's like a 2-hour long play. But it is their end of the year school play that they've been working on for months. This is only 2 days of not vacuuming my floors. 2 days. That is a lot of hair. I had bought this sign a little while ago. I had bought it for my front door, but I couldn't get it to stay up there, so I got to get another hook. But it says, "Dogs are welcome, people are tolerated." I thought that was so cute. I love dogs, and I am not a people person at all. I am a homebody. So now I was just getting all of my countertops cleaned off. And if you guys have been following me for a while, I never spray and wipe around things. Everything literally gets moved off of my countertop before I wipe it down. That is just all the training I have had. I used to work for Molly Maids, and with them, you always took everything off the counter and you wiped it down. You didn't wipe around things, you just took everything down. And then I also worked on North Fort Hood in the mess hall. So I was a cook, and you know, just cleaning, you sanitize everything. So, and that was a beetle I was taking off the counter. Between Valkyrie and George the cat, they catch them and bring them in the house. Or if we have the door open, because, you know, they're attracted to the light. So when the porch light's on, and they'll just come in, and oh, I hate beetles. But so now I'm just getting everything put back on the counter and put away.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you.
you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some motivation. And I will talk to you guys on Saturday. I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful rest of your week, and have a good weekend. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Mother's Day. And I will talk to you guys on Saturday. Bye.